Morning all. Happy Monday. If there is such a thing. So yeah, I got this little bit of a mess right here. So got to do some welding on it. Problem is I'm very low on argon, so I'm gonna go as far as I can on it, and then I'll probably have to go get some new gas. So yeah, I just talked to the dude, and I'm gonna have to weld up the seat pockets on it, because they're gonna put the same size shiny gold seats in it. So anyway, so I share that with you. Big old ports. Oh, Brodix. Have a good day. Stay cool. Pretty warm. Thanks for watching. Alright. Bring it back on when I'm lighting the torch up. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.